Hello and welcome to the world of artificial intelligence. This innovative tool transforms your wildest idea into breathtaking masterpiece. This software is free to use at the time of creating this video. Next generation photo video editing is here. Let's get started. Open Adobe and click on sign in, create an account if you don't have any. Quickly sign up. Link of this site is in the description. Now it's time to tap on Firefly. With the help of this, you can create a storybook or a comic strip, can easily draw pictures, add or remove items, make things appear or disappear. Scroll down and read the detailed version of their products if you like to. Now we are looking for Firefly. Tap on sign up for Firefly. Now here you can find number of tools to play with. Tap on sign in, continue, agree, and you are ready to go. Let's try first feature, text to image. Tap on it and write the description of the image you like to create. This advanced tool gives far more better results than text to image generator that already in the market. You can even change content type as per the requirement from art to photo. You can even choose styles from long list of it, from popular to themes to technique or concepts. Let's add some more in our description to see different results. Click on generate. Time to check another tools. For this, get back to our Adobe Firefly main page. Scroll and click on text effects, generate, and enter text of your own choice to see outstanding results. Use any sample prompts like wires, balloons, can change the font as per the requirement. Now let's move on to the most interesting and powerful tool, and that is generative fill. Click on generate and upload image you want to play with. Upload image from your machine. Here's a girl with coffee cup in hand. To change, tap on add. Select area to add something of your own choice. Write a description. In this particular case, we will replace coffee cup with college degree. And generative fill give number of options. Click on add to add convocation cap in the image. Same procedure, select the area, write a description and tap on generate. This is how you can change anything, everything in the image. This tool takes photo editing to next level, like we changed girl in a garden with coffee cup to the girl with college degree and the convocation cap in the graduation hall. You can download the image if you like to. Select the best fit and download the image. Get back to the previous page and let's play with some more images. Upload image, select area to add, write description and tap on generate. This powerful and easy to use tool is not only helping professionals but also the beginners. You can select the best fit, keep the image, Can play with some given examples, like in this image. Let's add scuba diver for their company. Perfect. Now one last image. Select area to add. Write a description. Add water dispenser for the cyclist. Right, click on generate. Select best fit and keep the image. The web version of Adobe Firefly is free to use while it's in beta, but you do require Adobe login. Keep exploring and thanks for watching.